This right here is the Audi A8L Security. Now it might look like your standard A8, but it is a lot heavier, way more secure, and it comes with some serious power. Let's take a look at what it packs, because this is all about security and keeping you safe if you're under attack. Now from a design standpoint, it is your typical A8. There's actually nothing that sets it apart truly, but it's underneath the skin that really matters, because we're talking about 1,200 parts that are different compared to the regular A8. It's also built with ultra high strength steel and some special materials that make it armor proof. So it can withstand a grenade attack, it can withstand machine gun attacks, bullets, everything. It deflects them all. And if you haven't noticed yet, the tires, they do look a little different. Now these are provided by Michelin and they are PAX tires, which basically means that even if they're shot or taken out by a bullet, they will still run for 80 kilometers at 80 kilometers per hour to let you get out of a rather sticky situation. So these are basically armor tires, and that's what they look like. Pretty standard. You can see that there's a little bit of a difference in the way that they sit over the rim, and that is what makes them stand out. But these tires will get you out of a sticky situation even if they're shot with a bullet. Now each door of the Audi A8L Security weighs about 160 kilos. That's a pretty heavy door. It's actually pretty easy to open, but at the same time, the reason it's so heavy is because it's really thick and wide. So it's, really well padded. The glass, I'm not allowed to show that to you because that's a security issue, but the glass itself is about this thick and it can withstand bullet shots. So the glass, all the glass on the vehicle is VR10 rated, and all the metallic parts on the vehicle are VR9 rated. Now VR10 and VR9 are basically the ratings you get for an attack. So, how bulletproof is it? So it's pretty much where you would get attacked, and this is what keeps you safe. Add to that, there are some pyrotechnics on each and every door, and the doors can, from a button inside, you can actually blow them off if you need to escape from your vehicle, or if you're stuck inside or for rescue. So that's again something that the Audi A8L Security comes with. So there's a little bit of a blast that happens and blows the doors off. So at 160 kilos, we're talking about these doors also having individual batteries in them to operate the heavy glass. And at the same time, with the power window switches, if the window is down, now in normal sedans, you get the anti-pinch. So if your hand was to be inside, it would touch your hand and go back down. Over here, because it's a security vehicle, what happens is that when you pull that power window button up and the window's coming up, it will crush your hand, or it will deflect a gun or move it out of the way. So it's an added security feature that Audi offers with the A8L Security. Now let's take a look inside at what you get over there. So with the interior, what you do get is that it's very typical Audi A8. It's a little tighter because you do lose a little bit of space with all this extra padding on all the doors, but you can barely tell. And you also get this special console over here. Now this is basically your security command unit, and as you can see, a whole bunch of buttons. So this button controls all the lighting on the car. This is the alarm button. If I press it, it will go off and it'll be really loud. You've got a host of other buttons, and then you've got some buttons that are kept safe so you don't press them by mistake, because this is basically your button to get fresh air into the car. There's an oxygen tank on board. It gives you about 5 minutes of fresh oxygen in case of a chemical attack. So you press this, you get oxygen on board. This one is your door pyrotechnique button, and when you press that, that's what will happen. And of course your third is a fire extinguisher. So you've got all three buttons kept secure, and in the event that you need them, it's actually a quick access and you can actually press them. So that's what it comes packed with. It's an extremely secure, safe vehicle for heads of state, big businessmen, people who might be under threat. And of course, that list is of the ultra elite, and we don't get to know who the customers are or how many of these cars are running on the road, so to speak. But with all this security, the one thing that this vehicle needs is obviously a brilliant engine. And what Audi has packed it with is a 4-liter TFSI unit that delivers 571 bhp and 800 Newton meters of torque. It's paired with the Audi's 8-speed Steptronic transmission, and it can do 0 to 100 in a little over 6 seconds. So you can get out of a sticky situation real fast in this, and it will ensure that you can run and get to safety. So that's what the A8L is all about. It is your ultra premium luxury sedan that is also bulletproof, bomb-proof, grenade-proof, and will keep you safe in a situation that you never wanted to be in the first place. Well, if you do have any other questions, do feel free to write in. Don't ask me the price of this, because that is also a well-kept secret. Audi does not let that out. But with the A8L Security, you know, with the Quattro system, it is something that is absolutely spectacular. It's a tank. It weighs 4.5 tons, and yet it can drive the way that it does. And coming to the back seat of the Audi A8L Security, it is as pampered as you're going to get. After all, it is designed for the heads of state and big top bosses. But you also get a plethora of controls over here. So right over here on the center armrest, you've actually got your seat functions. You can actually toy around with the seat position, adjust it to your liking. You've got this very interesting touchscreen system over here for your ventilation, and a host of other functions as well. So if you want, you can get to the seat massage function right here using the controls, and as you can see, adjust the seat and massage function as well. You can control the music, the lights. It gives you a whole choice. And if you don't want to play around with the screen right here, you can actually just pop it out and hold it in your hand and use it as a remote. I think it's very, very cool that it comes with this. Apart from that, while this is about security and keeping you safe, it's also about pampering you. So you do get a nice little fridge back here. You know, keep a couple of bottles of wine, cold bottles of water. You know, don't drink and drive, but in a vehicle like this, you probably have a security driver, the head of security, and you in the back. So yeah, you might want to carry that bubbly with you, because it's a great way to unwind in a car like this. Very well thought out, really well kitted out. The materials are plush. It's right up there where you want it. And I think that if you are a person who can afford this level of luxury, you know, which is about putting more than something than just a price on your head, it is something that stands out, and it will really, really make a difference in your garage. So feel free to write in, drop me a comment in the comment section below, ask me a question. It's my promise and the MOTORSCRIBES promise that we answer every question that comes in on the channel.